Hi, my name is Amanda and I'm the Director of Operations at CloudVO. Today we'll be demonstrating how to quickly add a location listing in our new portal at cloudvo.com. From the homepage, select Partner in the top right corner. If you are already a partner with CloudVO, you can enter your credentials here or go through the reset process. If you're new to CloudVO, you can sign up in this tab by providing some basic information about yourself and your space. Once you click Continue, you will receive an email with a temporary password that you can use to log in. Once you've logged in, click your name in the top right and go to the dashboard. The dashboard will show you everything connected to your account. To add a new location, click Locations at the top, and then click Add Location in the top right. Now it's time to provide some basic information about your space, such as the name, address, and appropriate contact information. It's important to provide the best contact for CloudVO to reach out to with any new signups, orders, or inquiries we may have. In the description field, please be as detailed as possible. We need to know an overview of your space and what makes your location stand out so we can send clients your way who will be the best fit for your space. In the meeting room booking platform section, choose your platform. If it's not listed in the dropdown, you can click Other. And now it's time to review the partner service agreement. You can review it online, or you can click printable version at the top for a downloadable PDF. If all looks good, click I agree with these terms and conditions and add your location. Now that your location was created successfully, you'll want to move on to enter your amenities. This first section are for subscription-based amenities that CloudVO charges the client for and we will pay you for, which is why there's a wholesale rate field. And the next batch are either services that don't require a fee or they're pass-through variable services. You will charge the client directly for these, but we still like knowing what the retail rate is. That way we can let people know when they inquire. And then you'll click Save and Continue. Now it's time to upload images of your space. We recommend that you upload as many pictures in high resolution as possible, ideally that show members using the space. These help our members and prospects get an idea of your center and if it will be a good fit for them. Click Save and Continue to upload. Now you'll enter your virtual office information by providing the retail rate for your mail plan and choosing whether or not you require a PMB number on the address. Then you'll confirm that you offer the mail plan and enter your pricing for your mail forwarding or digital mail options. If you offer co-working, now you'll provide your retail rates. We need the retail rate for your day pass as well as the monthly pass and the number of seats in your co-working center. If you have any comments or restrictions for your passes, please enter them in the comments field so the CloudVO team can see them and relay any necessary information to clients. Click Save and Continue, and then you'll move on to entering your rooms. We do have a variety of room types that you can choose from. Most have a 25% margin, but day offices and co-working day passes do have a 50% margin. This allows us to price our Cloud Touchdown passes competitively and will help drive clients to use your space. You'll need to upload a high-quality picture of your space so that clients can see when booking. You can enter the title of the picture below the thumbnail. And then you'll need to choose all of the amenities that are available to someone using that room. You can continue entering all the rooms in your inventory and then move on to full-time office spaces. Now you'll enter the basic information about each office that you're listing. Ideally, you'll add every available office in your inventory, but at a minimum, we ask for your typical interior, exterior, and team space. That way we have a better idea when we're serving clients. Again, you'll want to upload some high-quality images that show off the office that you're listing. And then you'll move on to entering your pricing and terms. The monthly retail rate is based off of a 12-month lease and the setup fee is per office. If you have shorter term lengths, you can provide the premium percentages so that the monthly rate will be a markup. Now you'll choose from a list of amenities and services that come with the office that you're listing. After you save, you can go back in and add any custom amenities. And you can review our client terms and conditions for all CloudVO clients. If there's something in your house rules that we're missing, you can choose to upload the additional rules in the text box or via PDF. Now that you've created your full-time office, you can go back in and review the information you provided, as well as mark all of the additional amenities and pricing associated. You can add a custom amenity by including the name, the monthly fee, and any setup fees associated, and a description of the amenity. If you mark it as available, it will show as included in the contract. If you leave it as unavailable, it will show as not included. Now that you've uploaded all of your location's information, your job is finished. The CloudVO partner team reviews the listing and completes a few back-end tasks before making your listing active. This normally takes a couple of days to complete. Once active, our team will reach out to you to confirm that everything is up and running. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at partners@cloudvo.com.